If you want to set up hypertension notifications on your Apple Watch, you have to start by opening Watch application on your iPhone, go to the My Watch on the left bottom corner and select Notifications. Next, you will have to scroll down and navigate for the Heart application. Then go to the Hypertension Notifications and just simply click on it. Now, as you can see, we have to answer to the few questions. So hypertension notifications are only for people 22 and older. So yes, I'm actually older. Have you ever been diagnosed? Nope. We have to click continue. Now there's short information how it actually works. So I can recommend you to read this short information. Click next. As you can see, we get information that Apple Watch cannot identify every instance of hypertension, which is really useful information. And here we can find the hypertension notification should not be turned on during pregnancy. Click next. Apple Watch cannot detect heart attacks. Click next again. Hypertension notifications are set up. We have to click done, and now as you can see, it's available. There's also short information again about notifications for hypertension and some other things that you can learn about this. And here you can find all of the number of measurements if it was actually recorded.